Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're gonna do the unboxing and first impressions of the new Realme Buds Air Neo, the new earphones, or rather the TWS earphones announced by Realme in India. So Realme already has the Buds Air announced last year, towards the end of last year. Now they have announced a little bit more affordable earbuds. Now this is the Buds Air Neo. There are few features missing from the Buds Air on the Neo version. So we'll do a comparison later what differences, but in this video we'll be focusing on the unboxing of this device. So this is the new Buds Air Neo. You can see the Realme branding. The box package looks exactly same as the Buds Air. Now the back of the box mentions the details. You can see that it comes with a super low latency powerful chip. Then you have a dynamic bass boost. This is 30mm large driver, open up auto connection, Google Fast Pair, Bluetooth 5.0, advanced audio codec, and then a smart touch control, intelligent voice assistant, and all day battery life. That's 17 hours playback time is what the company claims. So a super low latency mode is something which should be good for gamers, especially PUBG gamers. That should be good. And 13mm large drivers, and it is more into bass performance. You can see the dynamic bass boost is there. Now this has been the case with Realme's other earphones as well. Even the Realme's wireless neckband earphones also had really great bass. So this is something again which is very important for people who love bass. So let's open the box package, and we'll just this is the retail package actually. So we'll just open this and then we'll show you what all comes inside. So just taking this out. So there you go, that's the Buds Air Neo. So the packaging looks exactly the same. If you look at the Realme Buds Air, so this is the Buds Air, and we have the Buds Air Neo. So package wise exactly the same. The only difference here is the USB Type-C port in terms of the looks. So we'll compare that later. So let's go ahead with this unboxing. So you have the manual included here. So touch control area, display, battery, and pairing and other factory reset options are included. Now let's take this out. We have the manual and warranty information, quick start guide actually. In fact we have this option how to pair it. You can see the earphones, then the option to pair it. Let's see what all option: sleep mode, the charging mode, then touch operations, 2 touch answer the phone, play or pause the music, 3 touch skip to the next song, press 2 seconds during the call to hang up. So press both sides 2 seconds at the same time, enter and exit gaming mode. So these are the options. So there is a gaming mode, dedicated gaming mode, and we have the product details as well. So that's the one. Now we also get a micro USB charging spot. So that's one difference. So we have the micro USB port, no USB Type-C. So that's the earphones. Now let's have a look at the earphones. So this is the Buds Air Neo. We'll just open this. You can see that as soon as I open, you can see the notification LED glows. So if you take this out, you can see that design wise not much of a difference. You can see that almost similar design as that the Buds Air, but you don't get this sensor here. The wear detection sensors are not included. That's another major change. Apart from that, there is no wireless charging on this, similar compared to the Buds Air. So the look wise it's quite similar, and also there is no additional microphones. It's just a single microphone. Then you get the option to pair it. So let's just pair this with our smartphone, and then we'll show you how the sound quality looks. So this you can see the charging port. So it's a magnetic mechanism. You can see that as soon as I open, it will be available for charging. So let's just pair with our smartphone and then see how the sound quality is. So you need to just press and hold this. So you can see that Realme Buds Air Neo is mentioned here. So just pairing it now. So we just connected it. So now it's connected. Now let's hear some songs from this and see how it works. What we felt in our first impressions is that this is more tuned for bass performance. As mentioned in the box, it's bass boosting, that's kind of the sound quality which offers. But then what we felt was it's kind of an artificial bass boost. At times the bass did feel too much over, or rather it's kind of the sound quality doesn't look that great. At least for people who love bass and only bass, then these are good. But if you want a mix of bass, vocals and the highs, then you would be disappointed with these earphones, because these are tuned just for bass alone. Now the latency when we played was quite okay. We did not see any lag here. It was kind of good for the price segment it is being offered. So for gamers it isn't a bad option, but for audiophiles we feel this could be a disappointing experience, because these are more into bass and only bass. Vocals do get muffled with the output, so vocals and the highs or those things are not really evident on these earphones. These are more into bass. So we tried listening to different tracks, and these are our first impressions. We'll be doing a detailed review, so stay tuned for that. And we'll also be comparing with other earphones like the Buds Air and also the Mi TWS, and we'll do the comparisons later. So our first impressions, maybe if you're a person who loves bass, then these might suit, but otherwise we don't find this as good as some of the other earphones in this price segment. And apart from that, there is no wear detection, and it comes with a micro USB charging slot, not the USB type C. Now we'll have to also try how good the quality is. That's something which will be tested, because there are no dual mics here. This is single mic, so that could be a different aspect, because calls are something which are really important, especially with one mic, that we'll have to test it. So that was unboxing and hands-on way that the Realme Buds Air Neo. Will be coming up with a detailed review, so stay tuned for that. So thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.